Hello guys, and today we're playing Clutch Gorilla Horror Restored by Jimbob. And yeah, so today we do Volcano. Oh, it's only a volcano, but yeah. But I'm gonna be starting a chapter where every day I go into a new map in this game. So like for example, like mountains and all that. And yeah, I'm not gonna do it every day, but just some days. But yeah. So today is going to be Volcano, and yeah, let's go. Yes, I'm using track glitch. Okay, I'm just using it. I'm using it because it's overpowered. I don't even think it's on. Is it even on? I don't think it's on. Oh no, it's on. Right, let's go. Also, by the way, what do you call it? I will give you the link to this game soon, because I'm not really allowed to release it actually. So yeah, once some fixes get done, then I should be able to release it. I mean, I don't really know the owner that much, so I think I'll be perfect. But yeah. No, if I die, I can just join back and all that. But yeah. Yep, I knew it, my guy. I knew it. I knew he was gonna come. I knew it. That's really possible right there. And also, if the monsters come, then I can just go down. This guy is like really fast. Oh, none of the monsters see me except for that one. That one can see me really far away. Oh wait, no, he can't see me. He just looks at me, he goes back, and then some moment might just fly after me. Oh look. Look. And then... Yep! Oh! Jesus. Oh, I'm safe down here. Oh no, I'm not. Oh no. Don't worry, it's fine. We can go back. It is fine. But yeah. It is fine, don't worry. But yeah. Tomorrow's map will be random, like a random map. Because, you know, I don't know what to choose really. I'll think about a map once this video ends. And then once that's done, then is this the crater? False crater. I don't know if we should go in the volcano. Should we go in the jump pad for a change? No, it's too late anyways. Oh, I'm gonna hit that cannon again, I think. Nope. Okay, turns out good. We're chilling. Right. Okay. Chilling. Oh no, I'm gonna hit the cannon again. Never mind. Using dodging skills and moving. Oh, the cannon cane's bounceable. just realised that. Yellow magma. Oh! No. No, the game saved me. The game saved me. I thought I was gonna die. The game saved me. The game saved me. Yeah, after this I'm gonna end the video. First. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead. Where'd I go? Oh! Okay, yes, that is enough. That is... What is my power model doing? Okay, that is it. And yeah, very short video, I know. But yeah. I'm gonna be doing part 2 tomorrow. And yeah, see you later.